Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I am struggling today. So you can probably hear my coffee pot gurgling in the background. I am going to make some coffee creamer because the time change was this weekend, and I don't know, the older I get, the harder it is to bounce back from it. So now I want, like this morning I had coffee with just some half and half in it, but now I want like a fancy coffee and I want something yummy. I'm gonna make Cinnamon Dolce Latte Creamer, and it's a Starbucks copycat knockoff, and it's one that you don't even have to cook. You just mix it all together. So I am looking forward to it. This is a sweeter version one, so it does have the sweetened condensed milk. My pumpkin spice had whipping cream, and it was cooked. This is different than that, but you could probably, if you don't want to use sweetened condensed milk, which I make this homemade sometimes, but this was in my pantry, you could do it with the heavy cream, follow the one I just did last month. But I want something nice and warm and spicy and just yummy. Now, if I had had the caramel version of this, I would have used that, but I don't have it. So we're gonna go with this. It's gonna have cinnamon, vanilla, be creamy, and hopefully I'll get a little bit of caffeine pickup because I can't go to bed too early tonight because then I get up in the middle of the night. Oh, the struggle is real. So I'm gonna use this, what you call the batter bowl. It calls for 2 cups of whole milk. You could probably use 2% or less, but I want this to be creamy and decadent. Okay. The clock's going off, and that one we haven't set back yet. 1 whole container of sweetened condensed milk. Is it Thai coffee or tea that they make with sweetened condensed milk? And make sure it's sweetened, not evaporated. They are different. Okay, there we go. Then it calls for a teaspoon of vanilla. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I have done one that you cooked on the stove that used cinnamon sticks and you tried to infuse it. Didn't get a lot of cinnamon flavor, so I hope this has more of a punch. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a pinch of salt. Now I got a little whisk here. I'm gonna try and get this to all combine. This will have to be stirred or shook up every time you go to use it. And be patient. It takes a while to get sweetened condensed milk combined because it's so thick. Now, if you don't like the little specks of cinnamon, you could heat it up. Don't add the vanilla until after you take it off the burner and put it through a strainer. This is ready. I'm going to get a canning jar to pour it into. I'm going to use this canning jar. I think it's more than a pint's worth, so I'm going to go with a quart. Oh yeah. Okay, I had a different idea because my husband will struggle with pouring from the mason jar, I believe. So I'm going to use my Ninja cup with the spout so we could shake it up and just pour it out. Got my latte cup with coffee. And I want this to be like a latte, so I'm adding more than I would like into just a cup of coffee. Okay, taste test time. Sorry for the gurgling. I think it needs to be cleaned. Need to run vinegar through it. Oh my gosh, is that good? Oh, that is yummy. It's sweet. It's got the spice of the cinnamon. It has the vanilla undertones. And it's not thick, like because of the milk that was added, it's not like it's sickening, sweet, sticky, sweetened condensed milk. Perfectly sweet. Not overly sweet, but we didn't add any other sugar, you know. Wasn't like anything else was added. Definitely recommend this Cinnamon Dolce Latte Creamer. Well, thank you for joining me for my little afternoon break and my pick-me-up, trying to get through the time change. I appreciate all of you being here. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.